Hi, good morning. Hi, hello.
At least they clean the roads.
Yeah. We're out again going to Columbus. Even it's so super snow here. So much. Look at oh, so much snow. Oh no. Yeah, very slow.
That cold, that blow.
Yeah. Go out even it's have snowstorm here because na out of stock na wala nang gatas si Chania. You don't have milk, right? We need to buy her milk. But that's an alternative milk because yung milk niya ay in-order pa namin online kasi yung milk niya galing sa Pilipinas, yung Similac na 1, 2, 3. Wala dito, guys. Ang hirap hanapin. So, we shift into toddlers. 2 to 3, 1 to 2 years old toddlers. Growing Similac. Yeah, we shift into that, but we need to order online. So when will be arrive Thursday?
Today's Tuesday.
Yeah, it's Thursday pa. Wala na yung gatas ni Chania, so we need to go to Columbus. Even grabe yung heavy ng snow dito. Kasi mula kahapon ano na siya, at saka Monday yesterday here. Sunday at saka kahapon nag-snow na siya. Sobra grabe. But we need to go to Columbus just near here. Gusto punta sana kami sa Billings, but ayan, ang layo. Kaya sa Columbus na lang. We need to buy stuff also additional for Jania's birthday. And gusto ko din bumili ng mga pedicure, manicure set kasi ang sakit na ng kuko ko. Hindi na nalinis. Ang mahal-mahal dito ng ano guys, yung sa parlor nila. Pag yung mo cut ng hair 1.5, oh my goodness. So there's an ambulance. Yeah, for what? See, so poor.
Somebody slid off the road.
That's why drive slow, daddy. Careful, daddy. It's so snow, so much talaga. Ayan, all are white na talaga yung makikita mo. Hi, baby. Diba? You're not singing? Why? You're cold? Sing. Sing now. Why? You have pouty lips, oh. Lagi ko ng lip shader kasi nagka-crack yung lips niya. Sing. Yung snow. Is that?
55, 60.
What's that?
I know, 60 is like my, usually like 60 is just.
You wanna cut your hair too? You want to cut your hair too? She's observing. Visiting Titang Rachel. Working in the salon here. Ate Rachel. Her cousin, Jania's cousin. Yeah. No, don't need to my nails. No, because I have you, just me. We'll just buy. Oh, what? Ate Rachel there. Look, Ate Rachel cut hair. Yeah, that one. See, that's her cousin. First cousin of Jania. What do you want?
Yeah, this morning when I went here.
Look at mommy.
I'm gonna be behind whoever's in front because we followed all the way to town. Video me, what if this is scary?
I'm gonna vlog.
Okay, you have to take your glasses off for me though. haircut done, and it's 1K plus here.
naireklamo natin sa Pilipinas ang
SiriusXM.
ang mahal-mahal. Pero ang mahal pala dito.
How many captains have there been in Disney
Jan's
history?
cousin.
Get your answer
Jan's
after this
niece
Disney hit.
cut my hair. Jania's first cousin. Yeah. Hi, we're here. Where's your shoes?
Why are your shoes off already? Come on.
Here at there, Columbus. Oh, how can? Ayan, nadulas siya sa labas, sa snow. Oh, yeah. Nadulas siya. Dugo yung lips niya. She's, wow, baby. Yeah. What about that? What's that?
Laundry soap, I believe.
It's not for bottle. Here's mahal here.
Laundry soap.
Just this
For
one,
babies.
mahal. Oh. This one. You like that?
You like mini?
Okay. Okay, daddy.
Wow.
I like it, daddy. Okay. May I see your lips? Oh no, yay, baby. It's okay. Mommy loves you.
Eucerin or the Aquaphor. The Eucerin is a lotion or a cream. The Aquaphor is an ointment, so it's a little bit greasier, but that one, like especially at nighttime, will really help kind of with that dry skin. I mean, the Lubriderm is fine. They're all similar. The two that we probably see recommended from dermatologists the most, though, are that Eucerin.
What are you doing? Come here. Bye. Bye. Yeah. Put them back. It's tomato. It's not apple. Come on. Put it back. Why? Put it back, please. You're a good girl. Please.
And we have cabbage.
Put it back. She won't put back the
Put it
tomato. Put it back, please.
We'll leave. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Put it back.
Na, la,
Oh,
la. Come on.
put it back. Put
Oh,
it back.
what's this? Akala ko avocado, talong pala. Yeah, it's talong. Oh, put back the tomato there, please. Tingnan nyo guys yung atsal nila, yung pepper. Ang laki, akala mo plastic. Yan pala, totoo to guys, real na real. Yeah. Akala mo plastic. Akala mo laruan. Yun, ang laki ng spada nila, pero we have spada there. Yeah. There. Oh, avocado. Ang avocado, ang liliit naman ng avocado nila. Liit ng avocado nila. Sa atin malaki. Okay.
About 200
Thank you.
pesos each.
Oh, it's 200 pesos each. Ang liit naman. 200 pesos each. Yeah.
They're not even that big.
Yeah, it's not that big. Come on. Shh. No. Come here.
Banana?
Yeah? Just
150 pesos per pound.
really? Just this one? Little? Wow.
Okay, what else? Are we done? Or you want more salad stuff? Squash?
Oh, ang laki ng peanut nut nila guys.
Oh,
So
Okay,
big
let's go.
peanut. Oh my goodness. Come here.
buko.
Come here.
Buko.
It's not fresh boko. It's lokato. It's laya.
What?
Shh, Jania!
Careful.
Come on, let's go.
Careful. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hello. Hello. Yan talaga yung pagkamaldita niya. Shh. Hello. Hello. Come here. Come here.
Come on, mommy.
Come here. Yan yung pagkamaldita niya talaga.
Bye-bye.
Here.
Mommy, come. Bye-bye.
Go.
Go, go, go. Come on.
Come here. Tapos ako nahanap ng for my pedicure manicure set. Have here or no here?
Yeah, we'll go look.
We go
But
look.
we're gonna go look for something else first.
Yeah. Come here, mommy. Where are you? Buddy. Ang likot niya. Super ang likot. Grabe. Nagutom.
We have
Oh,
Nepal.
kumain na yung ng
We
saging.
have that one.
Yeah.
The
Ice
pink,
cream.
white, and chocolate.
That would be fine.
Okay. It's over here.
So guys,
This one.
kakakuha na ako ng for my pedicure and all and ganon. Wala sila
No, no.
Marta Yolit. Yeah, maybe have at home. So ayan. Makiklin ko na din yung paa ko. Nagugutom siya guys,
Come on.
na umiyak kasi gusto niyang kainin yung saging. Binayaran na ng daddy niya kakain ng saging. Wow, yummy. Is it yummy? So yan, tapos na kami. Humingi rin kami ng ready-made na cake, lagyan ng happy birthday for her. Yeah. Come here, mommy. Put it back, that. Where did you get that? It's not good for baby. Come here, mommy. Just give it to mommy. Yeah. And now she's playing. She's playing the snow, guys. Oh, come here. You get slide. Hold mommy here. Hold mommy. Let's get inside. Now, bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye.
Look,
Hi.
so
Come say hi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.
oh, you almost hit your head.
We did earlier.
Come here.
IGA in Columbus. She turned on the ice. It was,
Did
I'm
you
not
say?
even used to this cold.
But I think she's easily adjust.
Yeah.
She's probably liking playing in it.
She runs
Yeah.
around the house without shoes on.
Did you like the snow? I can't tip my head anymore.
Come here. Come see. Come see Daddy. Come see Daddy.
Come here.
Come here.
Hi.
Come see Daddy.
Hi.
Oh.
Oh.
Show her your lip. Show her your lip.
See, Howie?
Awi,
Did
oh.
you fall down?
Busted it wide
Yeah.
open. Blood
Oh, give
everywhere.
hug. Give hug, Aunt Rhonda.
Hug?
Give hug.
Hug.
Oh, oh.
High five.
High five. Yes, high five.
High five.
High five.
Jania, high
She's
five.
hiding again. You keep hiding.
We'll walk. High
Come
five.
on. Check your mail.
Go check the mail.
Check your mail.
Which mailbox? Go show her which mailbox.
It's not
No,
there.
not those.
It's
Down
there.
Here. Down here.
Here. No, 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 no. It's not. Yeah. Follow daddy.
Show me, yeah.
Follow daddy.
You get to shoot eyes on those keys. Look at that. Okay, here's your box right here.
Jania. Right here.
So
That one.
Jania, is that
Jania.
Jania? Is that in English or is that?
Johnny.
It's John's name. I just put Nea.
She wanted
Janea.
to name her after me.
Janaea, so that is the American
Johnny.
name?
Yeah.
And how do you get it? Oh, look at that.
Wow. What's that?
Exciting stuff.
What's that?
I should put some suckers in your box so when she opens it, she...
Bye. Your behave there? Okay.
But it was a long time ago, so I figured it'd be back by now.
One
But
would think.